back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change the photo in the Canva resume template. So here, if you want to create a resume, you can just use a template from Canva. And first, just find the template that you want to use. Okay, so after you search for the resume templates, wait for the result to show up and then select the templates that you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one, blue white modern resume template. Now click on the customize this template. Wait until the template is fully opened. Then here, just find the photo that you want to add into the resume. So I'm going to just use one from the Canva. So I'm going to just make it as an sample. So I'm going to just find and insert. For example, you can add your own photo, upload it to Canva, and just add it to the template like this. So here I'm going to use this photos right here. Click on the photo and then drag to the frame, the photo frame like this. And just like that, the photo will be changed into the photo that you selected. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.